Hey guys, what's up? Matt here, and today we're gonna go over what the difference is between being nice and being kind in today's episode of Just a Tip. All right guys, so what's the difference between being nice and kind? It's a very important distinction to make in sales because salespeople need to be kind, not nice. And here's how I kind of break down the distinction. If someone's got bad breath, if you have a good friend of yours who has bad breath, the nice person ignores it and doesn't tell them. That's nice because they don't feel bad about themselves. They might not get embarrassed. However, I don't feel that's the kind thing to do, because the kind thing to do is to put your own self aside and tell that person the truth extraordinarily nicely. You go, hey man, just so you know, your breath is a little bit off today. You might want to go brush your teeth. Now, what have you done there? It's awkward for you to do that. So if you're being nice and you're ignoring it, you're not doing it for their benefit. You're doing it for your benefit, okay? Because you don't want to have the conversation, right? It doesn't affect you then having bad breath. It affects them. People will look at them differently. People, it's embarrassing, right? So by you overcoming it yourself and by going up to them and giving them an opportunity to fix the problem, that's what you've done there. By being kind, instead of being nice, by being kind, you've offered them an opportunity to fix the problem. Whether they take it or not, that's up to them. However, that's a key distinction that we need to make in sales. In sales, you need to be kind, not nice. All right, guys, hope that was helpful. Bye.